Table runner is a very easy project comprising of half square triangles and squares, and the finished size is going to be 8 inches, unfinished 8.5. To make the half square triangles, you're going to need 6 9-inch squares in a light color or a contrast color, and 6 9-inch squares in a dark color, and we're going to make half square triangles out of that. And then you're also going to need 12 pieces. This is going to be 12 rows by 2 columns, and you need 12 pieces of 8.5-inch squares, and that's going to finish also at 8 inches. Now, to make your half square triangles, you're going to take 1 piece of your light fabric, one piece of your dark fabric. If it's directional, just you can obviously turn it, but going to start off in the right direction, and you place it right sides together, and we're going to draw a diagonal line from corner to corner, and we're going to use the 2 at a time method to make 2 at a time. Now we're going to stitch at 1/4 of an inch away from that diagonal line. Once you've sewn the 2 diagonal lines, you're just going to cut directly on the center diagonal line. Obviously, you can do it with a rotary cutter as well and your ruler. And you're left with 2 half square triangles. These half square triangles are 8.5, and we're going to finish at 8. Now we're going to press to the dark side. You're going to press to the dark side and cut off your threads and your ears. Press that, and we're going to come back and sew our squares together, our patchwork table runner together. The next step is to lay out your blocks according to the diagram, with the dark color pointing inwards, as you can see there, and then start again, so that you're going to have that hourglass shape on your entire runner. Once you have your rows sewn together, sew your columns together, press your rows before you sew them into the column, and then press the final project. Then we're going to square up the edges, and quilt it.